Hello everybody, this is Jeremy with Hills Machine Works here, and I have a customer drop me off this sign that they use at a local farmer's market. And the wind blew it down and it broke. And it wasn't really, it was pretty light duty. You can see here where this leg here was connected to this pole. And, there wasn't much holding it there. And then it had kind of a bolt system that used to have a piece in here, a threaded piece that popped in that just kind of held it. Of course, it's damaged, so we have to fix it. So I unscrewed the good side, we'll call it, a little bit, so you can see how there's a little cap on the end there that has a threaded hole, and that's how that bolt works. And you can see on this side, this is the actual cap. So we're going to make a plan for that as we go along here. I'm probably just going to remove that and clean this, and we'll just weld in and weld the pipe and one and done. She's never going to take it apart. She just wants to use it weekly at the farmer's market. And incidentally, the business is called Ellie's European Sweets, and very good stuff. My wife also does a farmer's market from our homestead here. So why don't we get started? We're going to come in here. We're going to clean all of this up. Clean everything where we can prep it. We're going to weld it back in place. Should be an easy fix, and they'll be using their sign in no time. Okay, all of our basic parts have been more or less prepped for what we're going to be doing. This is the piece here that snaps inside this leg to rest on the top. And this is the piece that goes on the end where it broke off here. So we're going to put this on. I don't really care about this anymore so much, but I'm going to put it on there and see if I can try to tack that edge just to hold it enough to bolt it together, and then I'm going to weld it in. But that'll help align it for me. Okay, I got this tacked on just a little bit, enough to reassemble it, and then we'll weld it up. We are now assembled with the bolts, and we've got the upper piece being held at 90 degrees using the magnets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tack everything together, tack it all in place so I can remove the magnets, and then we'll finish welding around these seams. And we're using, for this job, a Lincoln Electric 180 Pro MIG. I have the heat setting only on A. We may turn that to B. Wire speed is at 4. It's just helping me to make these tacks as we go along. And we are now ready for another season for Miss Ellie and her European Sweets at the community market. And I hope you had a good time watching this video. I know it was a short one. We're going to have a lot more coming in summer of 2026 and beyond. We're really going to push this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please share with your friends. Like this content. This is Jeremy, over and out.